any of these sort of line-ups in life. Now we're very consultant, some genetics, some disabilities. Playing a great role in the future of our breeding. First of all, I'd like to say thank you to the Minsterley Agricultural Society today for asking us to do. It's great to be afternoons are getting wearing us a lovely show of stuff getting hundreds of pictures. We've got a nice display of these cats in the ring today. A bit of everything. We've got these at the end, the red bowls. We've got these cars without printing. All great legs of the breed, showing all the different qualities. We've all got corners in the road, not picking one with a little small, within its own breed. So I'm not going to say too much more, otherwise I'll get the game away. So I'll just tap out my champion in reserve and I'll say a bit more afterwards. Right, back to park. Well, it's